Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda CRV coolant. First, let's get prepared. You'll need a few key items: a large drain pan, a funnel, and a basic wrench set. Make sure you have about 1.5 gallons of the correct Honda-approved coolant, which is typically Honda Long Life Antifreeze/Coolant Type 2. It's crucial to let your engine cool down completely before you begin, as working with a hot system can be dangerous. Safety first. Now, let's drain the old coolant. Find the radiator drain plug, which is typically located on the bottom passenger side of the radiator. Position your large drain pan directly beneath it to collect all the fluid. Carefully open the radiator cap, then slowly unscrew the drain plug. This will allow the old coolant to flow out completely. Be patient and let it drain thoroughly. After draining, it's time to flush the system. Close the drain plug securely. Fill the radiator with distilled water, then run your engine with the heater on high until it reaches its normal operating temperature. This helps circulate the water and clean out any remaining old coolant. Once cooled, drain the distilled water. Finally, refill the system with your fresh, Honda-approved coolant. For the final steps, we need to bleed any air from the system. With the radiator cap off, run the engine until it's warm, squeezing the upper and lower radiator hoses to help release air bubbles. Keep an eye on the coolant level and top it off as needed. Once the air is out, replace the cap and fill your coolant reservoir to the max line. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.